Hello.
Do you always dress like this for work?
Yeah.
These are my friends,
Hey,
Danny and Melby. Oh,
I'm vlogging.
Video camera. You vlogging?
I'm vlogging.
These are your auntie Pretty.
Okay. Yeah. This is Tita Oyet.
Hi.
My auntie Oyet from Crystal's side. So Crystal is, you guys know that Crystal is the sister that I never had.
That's sister.
She's the closest relative of mine, and her father's sister is Tita Oyet. So today, yeah, I do. Today we're gonna go to Ellis Island. They got some pretty amazing ribs. We were there last November, but then Elin and I couldn't get in because we had the kids with us. So apparently they don't allow kids, which is lame. Yeah, they don't. With all those really big portions, you need a whole family to eat that meal. Yeah. Right. So let's skip to the food. That's me. Yeah, half and half.
Oh, you did the combo?
Yeah. Oh my God! Look how big that is. Yeah, some of this is probably gonna. Now I'll finish it. I'm just kidding.
He's staring at it.
I just said that for the vlog. Okay. I'll turn the camera around. So now it's gonna watch me eat.
That's that. Oh, yum.
That's why I did at Burger King. Oh, look at this sandwich. Because if you do that, and then they can hear you munching.
Ryan,
It makes people hungry.
Darren's latest practice is in the Philippines.
Yeah.
He's doing the food vlogging in the Philippines.
Yeah.
And then he's eating that.
That's okay. The same thing. All right, guys. The first bite. I really should use my hands, but oh. How about some beans? You guys want some beans? Oh, I ate too much. I can barely move. I can't even move. Oh, everyone's walking ahead of me, look. Way ahead of me. Never coming back here again. I'll be back next week. I'm just kidding. Those were some pretty good ribs. I'm sorry that Elin and the kids couldn't taste that. It's good stuff. Uh-oh.
Watch me, Nene.